What if a single cosmic event could turn a cold, lifeless planet into a burning star? Imagine Mars, suddenly glowing in the sky like a second sun. Impossible, or just extremely unlikely. Mars is a small, rocky planet, cold, dry, and silent. But stars are something completely different. They shine because of nuclear fusion, a process where hydrogen atoms are crushed together under extreme pressure, releasing enormous energy. So the question is, could something as violent as a planetary collision create that kind of energy? When two massive objects collide in space, they release incredible amounts of heat and energy. Temperatures can rise to millions of degrees, and entire surfaces can melt into oceans of magma. But nuclear fusion doesn't just need heat, it needs extreme pressure and mass. That's why stars are so huge. Our Sun is about 330,000 times more massive than Earth. Mars, on the other hand, is tiny in comparison. Let's imagine something extreme. A giant planet or massive object crashes into Mars. The impact would be catastrophic. Mars would be shattered, melted, and possibly turned into a cloud of glowing debris. For a brief moment, the temperature might resemble conditions inside a star, but only for a moment. Here's the truth. Even the most violent collision cannot create a star, because fusion requires not just heat, but constant gravitational pressure holding atoms together. Without enough mass, that pressure disappears instantly. So instead of becoming a star, Mars would simply become a burning, expanding cloud of debris, a short-lived fire in the darkness of space. To actually turn something into a star, you would need an object at least 80 times the mass of Jupiter. That's the minimum required to sustain fusion. Mars doesn't even come close. Not even the biggest collision imaginable could push it to that level. So, no, Mars can never become a star. But the idea reveals something terrifying. In space, even the most violent events have limits, and sometimes even an explosion powerful enough to destroy a planet is still not enough to create light. Follow NexaFacts for more mysteries of the universe.